Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, I think it's very clear that this is a 1, 2, 3, and even on the monthly time frame, I think you can see a 1, 2, 3 of 3, which means we probably need a little pullback for wave 4 and then a wave 5 of wave 3. So we need probably one more push up at least to finish off this wave 3 before we make the bigger pullback for the wave 4 and another push up for the wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, this is where you can see the wave 1, the wave 2, and all subdivisions of a wave 3. We definitely don't have a breaker structure. We definitely don't have a Fibonacci level. We do technically have 5 waves right here, but the fact that this 5th wave is so long compared to the other waves tells me that there's probably going to be another wave down and another wave up, like a wave 6 and a wave 7. But really, it's like the 3, 4, 5 shape that we see at the end of every trend. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see that this is probably a complete trend. So more than likely what we are doing now is making a correction to these move up. So more than likely this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. I bet we are going to start a move up, but that's going to be a B and then probably down again for a C. I would expect it to at least take out the low of wave 4, maybe targeting, I don't know, maybe like the 2560, 2540 area for the wave C before we potentially go up one more time potentially for the final move. Maybe, like I said, it's actually a wave 6, 7, but it's like the wave 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of every trend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now I got my Fibonacci extension on the first impulsive down projected off the top of the first correction, because if you think this is an ABC, you're probably wrong, because it went beyond the 161, 178 of the first wave. That tells me that it's not an ABC. That tells me it's a 1, probably a running flat type pattern for a wave 2, and this is most likely a 3, which means the next move up is probably going to be just a small correction for the 4 and then probably down again for a wave 5. And this is likely all only a wave A of that bigger ABC correction I showed on the daily time frame. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, until we actually get a breaker structure of the wave 3, we can't even really say the wave 3 is over. I mean, I think there's a pretty good chance it probably will today make its way up, make a wave 4, then probably down again for a wave 5. Now, we do have interest rate news coming out today for the US dollar, which is a very big news event. It's been a very big news week between the presidential race and the interest rate news that we got coming out today. And I will be live streaming for that news event today at 6:45 GMT plus 1 UK time. So definitely stop in for that. I'm interested to see what gold is going to look like, because I think it needs to finish off this trend, which is most likely a wave A, before it starts the bigger move to the upside for most likely the wave B, just like what I showed on the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.